Find the trigonometric ratios of theta equals 60 degrees. In a right triangle where theta equal to 60 degrees, then this right triangle is half of the equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle with all three sides equals and three angles equal. If one acute angle is 60 degrees, then the other one in the right triangles had to be 30 degrees. For convenience, we will let the hypotenuse be 1, and therefore the shorter length or the shorter side is 1/2. Using the Pythagorean theorem, we can find the other side as well. Let's call it y for now. Then y squared plus 1/2 squared equals 1. Y squared plus 1/4 equals 1. So y squared is 1 minus 1/4, which is 3/4. Y is the square root of 3/4. This is the square root of 3/2. If we were to use any length instead of 1, we will end up with root 3/2 times the length of the hypotenuse, and that is why we use 1 for convenience. Now that we have all three sides of this special right triangle, which is half of the equilateral triangle, we can find the trigonometric ratios. Sine of 60 degrees is the opposite over the hypotenuse. Cosine of 60 degrees is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Tangent of 60 degrees is the opposite over adjacent. And the remaining three trigonometric functions are the reciprocal of these. The reciprocal of sine is cosecant. Cosecant of 60 degrees is 1 over root 3/2. The reciprocal of cosine is secant. Secant of 60 degrees is 1 over 1/2. And the reciprocal of tangent is cotangent. Cotangent of 60 degrees is 1/2 over root 3/2. It might be a better idea to simplify these numbers first. Sine of 60 degrees is root 3/2, and the reciprocal of root 3/2 is 2 over root 3, and this is 2 root 3/3. Note that every time we have the radical in the denominator, we would multiply the same radical top and bottom. We've done it many times now that we see the pattern. For cosine of 60 degrees, 1/2 over 1 is simply 1/2, and so secant of 60 degrees is 2 over 1, or simply 2. For tangent of 60 degrees, the 2 in the denominator canceled out. We end up with root 3/1, or simply root 3. And for cotangent of 60 degrees, the reciprocal of tangent is 1 over root 3, which is 1 times root 3/3, or simply root 3/3.